down through the waistline into the floor. There are two little bones at the base of your pelvis we call the sits bones. Do this, it can create undue pressure on your lower back. We don't want that. We're going to roll up 6, 11, and 12 with the flex, and then flexing and pointing the top leg. Just so you can see, I'm going to exaggerate, going down straight, tucking the pelvis, curling the tailbone under a little bit, and as I draw my legs up straight so that you don't have the ring pushing at an angle, and rise once again to the balls of the feet. Check if you can by placing your hands on the hips that your pelvis is not torquing off center. Both hips should be facing like headlights straight ahead. Thank you very much.